You've been working with equations and inequalities. You've learned how to handle numbers, how to balance both sides, and how to compare values. Now let's look at something new, graphing an equation on a coordinate plane. The coordinate plane is just two number lines that cross at zero. The horizontal one is the x-axis and the vertical one is the y-axis. Any point can be named with two numbers written as parentheses x, comma, y, close your parentheses. So how do we graph an equation like x plus y equal 4? Step 1, pick values for x. Let's try x equals 0. That's an easy one. If x is 0, then y must be 4. That gives us the point 0, 4. Step 2, pick another value for x. If x equals 4, so plug 4 into the x, then y must be 0. That gives us the point 4, 0. And step 3, plot the points and connect them with a straight line. All you need is 2 points to make a line. That's the graph of x plus y equals 4. You can always make a small table of values. This is common, x and y values, and then plot the points. 2 points make a line, but 3 points double check your work. Now, if the equation has been an inequality, like x plus y is less than 4, you do the same steps, but then shade the side of the line that makes the inequality true. Remember, sometimes we end up with negative numbers or zeros, or that shaded area shows all the possible solutions. So here's the big idea. An equation isn't just a rule with numbers. It's also a picture of all the answers that make the rule true. And this is exactly why we graph, because once you're comfortable with one line, the next step is to look at two lines together. The place where they meet, that point of intersection, it's the solution to both equations at once, and that's what we call a system of equations.